Introducing Project Madwhip, a one-of-a-kind ECD custom Range Rover Classic, meticulously handcrafted to reflect the refined vision of our discerning client. Cloaked in a lustrous full-gloss Land Rover Russet Brown, this build exudes timeless sophistication. Project Madwhip commands presence on 18-inch Kahn Ross-style wheels, wrapped in rugged yet refined BFG all-terrain tyres, delivering both style and substance. Complementing its distinguished exterior, the OEM-style front and rear bumpers maintain the classic Range Rover silhouette with a subtly modern edge. Inside, bespoke craftsmanship takes centre stage. A richly finished Evander wooden steering wheel pairs seamlessly with Speed Hut Classic-style gauges, creating a refined driver interface. Recaro Orthopeds front seats provide tailored ergonomic support, while the mid-row features a classic OEM 3-passenger bench, ensuring comfort for all occupants. Every seat is upholstered in exquisite Garrett Cadence Lentil leather, featuring horizontal pleating and Seraphyll stitching, a tactile expression of detail and artistry. The rear load space remains open, offering versatile utility with a minimalist design ethos. Under the bonnet, Project Madwhip is driven by a robust GM LS3 V8 engine, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering both commanding power and refined performance. For a seamless blend of heritage and innovation, Project Madwhip is equipped with a floating touchscreen stereo system, enhanced by Infinity Kappa sound, Apple CarPlay, and integrated USB connectivity, bringing modern convenience to a classic form. This is not just a Range Rover Classic, it's a bespoke expression of identity, craftsmanship, and capability. This is Project Madwhip. Commission yours today.